National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Halton City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Hurst, Farmers Branch, Watauga, Colleyville, Saginaw, Richland Hills, Cockrell Hill, North Richland Hills, and Blue Mound. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35W between mile markers 53 and 61. Interstate 35E between mile markers 433 and 439. Interstate 30 between mile markers 20 and 41. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.